Yo, yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, coming back at you with another unboxing video. Guys, I'm gonna play a little scene for you. 'Cause I do got an unboxing. I'm gonna play a little scene. You know, get on TikTok and the TikTok ad come up and they like this. Hey guys, this right here, TikTok must have messed up on the prices and you should get this right here. That's how I was introduced to this quick charging 3.0. 8. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can connect up 8 devices, well, eight cords or 8 devices to this one charging brick. Now this has no name. I don't know. I found it and it has no name. It's just a wall charger, guys. And I'm gonna tell you why I was interested until I looked it up. I'll give you the specs when we get into the eagle eye view. Okay, guys, I will give you the specs because they try to get you with something like this. So without further ado, let's go ahead and give the quick charging wall charger that you can hook up 8 devices, the eagle eye view. Hey guys, before we get into the eagle eye view, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Listen to me. The YouTube algorithm gods love it when you give me some thumbs up and you share it to other people, because that means it's saying that people are interested in it and it'll push the video out further. So please do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. All right, guys, welcome to the eagle eye view. And this is how it came. It came in another package, but it was like a bag package. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. Now, why I bought why it struck me, because when I looked at it, okay, hold on, this might be trolling me a little bit. When I saw this come up on my, I guess, For You page or whatever, the one thing that caught my eye was the fact that I saw 168. So in my mind, I'm thinking it's 168 watts. Okay, so 168. And so I thought, okay, this thing is 168 watts. For $12.50 with the 8 inputs. So I'm like, oh my God, this is 168 watts for that much money. Oh. I was all, happy about it. Come to find out, guys, this is only output as 50 watts. 50 watts. Now, this is relatively light. Now, this is 100 watts. And this has 3 ports, but this is 100 watts by NU. And we're going to weigh it. And then after we weigh it, we're going to see how it charges up things. Now, the problem is when you get something like this, even with the NU 100 watts, that each time you plug something in, it kind of takes away from that wattage. So it might go from 100 watt to, depending on how much watts the other item need. So it can go anywhere from 100 watts, 75 watts, depending on what else you have plugged up with it. It will lower how much you can put into one of your devices. So can you imagine if this is only a 50 watt output and knowing our family or somebody, they might put 4 to 5 things and connect it and think that you're getting the same fast charging that you would. Now it is fast charging if you use 1, maybe 2. But once you start adding 1, 2, 3, 4, even 5 things, it's not going to be, you're not going to get 50 watts. It's 50 watts total. So we're going to do is weigh it so you can see the difference in weight. And then we're going to get charging some things up. All right, let's get to weighing it up. So we're going to go with this one first. As you can see, it's 108 grams, okay? 108 grams. This right here is 207 grams. So that's almost 100 grams or more. But again, this is 100 watts. And you can feel the build quality on this, where this is kind of hollow. Doesn't have great build quality. So guys, so let's go ahead and see if we can charge some stuff up with it and see if it's worth the 12, at least the 1250. All right. Let's get to see if we could charge some stuff up with it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and hit the, see this is, it says 25 watts right there. So we're gonna hit that first. Then we're gonna go ahead and let's see if it says fast charging. It says charging rapidly. Okay, so it says charging rapidly. We have that one. Okay. What we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and charge up the iPhone with it. See, it's charging. So we did that. Okay. So we got two things on here charging. Okay, everything can't be your iPhone. So we're gonna go ahead and put this one right here. We're gonna go ahead and get one of these right here. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and get one of these. There we go. So it's charging. All right. So we got that. Okay, so we can go ahead and since this is at 0% here, as you can see here, guys, is at 0. Sorry for bumming that at 0% here. We'll go ahead and charge that up too. So we got this right here. So we're gonna go ahead and put this right here. We're gonna go ahead and charge it up. And as you can see, charging up, and it's showing you how many wattage it is. So we have up to what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So then we got another thing over here. We have this, You're like, man, nobody's gonna really charge up that much. They might. You never know. They might. You never know. They might go ahead and charge up, something, how much we're gonna put this. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things charging. Okay, so and right there we see that it only has 5 watts of charging for one now. So you can see that. So we have what? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things charged. Now let's go ahead and unconnect this and see if it keeps this fast charging. Now, I might not be wrong. It says charging. So once you start adding more stuff to his, the charging become less. So you're not even getting fast charging no more. So knowing if you bought this to a kid or somebody who's not tech savvy, this $12.50 is a good deal. But they're thinking, like I thought, you're getting 168 watts. No, you're getting 50 watts. And you have to share that 50 watts through everything. So what we're going to do, we're going to do one more thing. We're going to go ahead and we're going to hit this up right here. We're just going to put it right here. Okay. And what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and we're going to turn this on here. Okay. Throw this on here. And we're going to see how much wattage we're getting. Boom. So we put that in there and it'll tell you you're only getting about 160. Let's see if it goes all the way up to, I want to see how far it goes up. So you're only going to get 2.27 watts. So you have to realize that that's what happens when you have this. And I'm not saying this is a bad thing if you have a lot of items that you need to charge up. And our kids would not probably have 8 items, but I would say they would have 4. I would even say that some of y'all might have 3. But once you start putting more things on and taking more items or more electronics taking energy, this goes from 50 watts all the way down to 2, 4, 10, 15, depending. All right, guys. So what we're going to do, show you one more thing so you can understand what I'm saying. All right. What we're going to do, we're going to hook up the 100 watt with the 3. As you can see, this is laptop. This is, this is for other high wattage things. You have the USB-C. USB-A, sorry guys. So we're gonna hit this. Again, I'm just using wires that I have around the house because many people don't only have wires that have around the house. So as you can see, it's charging. Let's try that one more time so you can see it. So it's charging. All right. So then what we're gonna do also, we're gonna go ahead and put this one here. We're gonna go ahead with this one here. Okay, it's rapidly charging. 41 minutes, okay. Now they're sharing the 100 watts. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and bring this on and see how much watts it's getting. Sorry for shaking. There we go. So it's going all the way up. So 41, between 4150. Okay. So there's 4150. Now we know this line can only go up to like 57 watts. So, but it's not even in the 50s. So you can see, as even though this is 100 watts, this is getting 40. This is getting the max wattage from all three items. So this might be a different wattage than this, but 40 some watt. Now let's do this one more time. Let me take the same three, put it on this. And what we're gonna do, put this one right here. And as you see, it's charging. Okay, it's charging. Let's do it one more time so you can see it's charging. All right, so then we're gonna take this, and I'm not gonna put it in the maximum wattage right here. I'm gonna put it in this one. I'm gonna put it right next to it, right here. And you can see, it says rapidly charging. It did say charging slowly, but it changed to rapidly charging. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and put this on. Just three things. I'm sorry for bumping. There you go. So what? Almost 9 watts. And now, once you see this, right here, this is a 25 watts. Then it goes from down. So the highest one is these two right here. This is 25 watts. So guys, let's get to the regular view. Give my final thoughts. Give this puppy a grade. Yo, I'm back to give the wall charging hub my final thoughts and giving this puppy a grade. Now, I normally would write something up, but I didn't have to write nothing up. Price is going to be a 5. Can't be the price. But the problem, that price is very deceptive, guys. And 168 is also very deceptive as well. Got to be careful because we don't know if you end up using all of them, how long this puppy will stay from burning or stay looking like this before it melts, because this is not really well built. Okay, guys, it's not. As you can see, this one is very heavy. They put some thought into it. 3 things. I've never felt this get hot. It does get warm, but I've never seen it get hot. This right here, it might get warm. You put too much on it. So, thank heavens is only 50 watt output. Guys, I'm gonna have to give this a D. I'm not gonna give it an E because if you have a child or you need something to take on vacation with you that people can get, it works. It works decently. It works like it's supposed to work. But long-term use, and the fact is that if you spend a little bit more money, maybe like $24 to $30, you can get probably a 65 watt, probably with three inputs, maybe four inputs. Again, you're gonna be sacrificing. You know, when you put four items for of your rechargeable technology on it, it will, kind of cut it down. But you're not looking at something that starts at 50 watts, and then by the time you get down to the third one, it's on 41, and then by the time you get down to the fifth one, you're looking at maybe 10. So, and most people don't understand that. So, yeah, this looked good when you see it. Oh my God, I'm gonna get it. And then when you get it, you're wondering, well, I got 5 things. Why is it taking so long to charge? Because really, this is not meant to be able to do 8 things at one time. I would say at best 4 things at one time. So I'm gonna give it a D, guys. I am gonna put it in the link down below, just in case you just want to get one. It's cheap. Give it to, want to take it with you on a trip, or your child need one. You don't want to give them something that costs, maybe 50, 60, 70, $50. Give them this so they can keep their items, because you use the first 2, you're going to get charged. The first 3, you're going to get a decent charge. By the time you get to the 4th, the 5th, you're not getting a decent charge. So I'm going to give it a D, guys. Hey, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. And say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. The more subscribers and more you share it, the deeper in the YouTube algorithm I go. So please like, share, and subscribe. Like to thank my new current and new subscribers for still rocking with the channel. Yet again, this is your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, thanking you for rocking out with me on another unboxing video. Guys, just beware when you see little infomercials or people telling you that, oh my God, they must have dropped the price. There's a reason why it's $12.50. There's a reason why something that should cost $100 down to $19.99. I'm not saying that everything could be bad, but you don't want to spend your money on something and it's terrible. You have a good day. Peace.